In this tutorial, you'll learn how to effectively work with branches in Git. Branches allow you to manage different lines of development by working on different aspects of your project simultaneously, keeping your code organized and facilitating collaboration. Prerequisites: before you begin, ensure that you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't installed Git yet, please refer to our tutorial on Git installation for your specific operating system. Step 1 is to open your terminal. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use Git Bash or the Windows command prompt. Step 2 is to navigate to your project directory. Make sure you're in the directory of your Git project. You can use the cd command to navigate to your project folder. Step 3 is to list branch. We can list branches using git branch command. When you list branches, the one with an asterisk next to it signifies that you are currently on that branch. Step 4 is to create a new branch. To create a new branch, use the git branch command followed by the branch name. Git branch new feature. This will create a new branch named new feature. Step 5 is to switch to the new branch. To switch to the newly created branch, use the git checkout command. Git checkout new feature. Now, you are on the new feature branch, ready to make changes. To switch between branches, use the git checkout command again. For example, to switch back to the main branch, use git checkout main. With the ability to create, switch, and work on branches, you can now explore different features, experiment with your code, and collaborate effectively with your team. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.